मैं आपको बता दूं कि ये स्नो मॉर्निंग से हो रहा है और बस इतना ज़्यादा हो रहा है, इतना ज़्यादा अमाउंट में हो रहा है। द फ्लेक्स आर क्वाइट बिग, सो जिसकी वजह से ट्री के ऊपर इट्स लाइक एक्यूमुलेटिंग सो फास्ट। एंड जस्ट yesterday they cleaned the road and now look at the situation again. It's like usually in Canada, January and February, they are the worst month. बहुत स्नो गिरता है, बहुत ज़्यादा स्नो गिरता है, but that's life, you know, that's how it is. We have now gotten used to it. But मैं यहाँ पे वॉक कर रही हूँ रोड के ऊपर and it is looking just like a winter's paradise. गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको लाइव स्नोफॉल दिखा रही हूँ। यहाँ कनाडा में आज बहुत ज़्यादा, मेरे घर में बहुत ज़्यादा स्नो गिर रहा है एंड यू कैन सी इट्स कमिंग इन बिग ड्रॉपलेट्स। एंड देखिए ऑलरेडी दिस इज़ माई ड्राइववे, दिस इज़ ऑलरेडी फिल्ड। जो मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में दिखाया था उसमें आपको दिखाया था कि द ड्राइववे इज़ क्लीन, बट सी इट्स ऑलरेडी सो मच ऑफ स्नो एंड इफ़ यू सी हियर इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 4-5 इंचेस अभी एक्यूमुलेट हो गया है। बट आई वॉन्टेड टू शो यू द वेदर. The weather outside is just amazing. It's like amazingly white and everything. And बहुत खूबसूरत है, बहुत नज़ारों को देखिए आप. This is the look of my car. It's all covered in snow and this is my front yard. And the trees, they're all filled. The whole road, this is the road, pavement, कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है and there is not even a single person. Only 1 or 2 persons are outside, those who are walking their dogs or something, but everything is so white. I can hear a plane which is going, but I'm wondering how it's gonna land. मेरे घर के बहुत ही नज़दीक एयरपोर्ट है, but I'm just wondering how is it gonna land in the airport in the snowy conditions. So let me show you around my neighborhood कि कैसा है. सब स्नो से भरा हुआ है, एवरीथिंग इज़ फिल्ड, द रोड्स आर ऑल फिल्ड. देर इज़ वन here and there car which is going on, but since it's a Sunday morning, it's a sleepy Sunday morning and everybody is inside their house, but the snow is like falling like crazy, बहुत ज़्यादा. By the way, the weather is not that bad. अभी वेदर कुछ -2 है, बट वंस द स्नो फॉल्स एंड एक्यूमुलेट्स, फिर जो वो नीचे से जो ठंडाई जो होता है ना वो ऊपर आता है एंड देन इट बिकम्स वेरी 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 कोल्ड. लुक एट द ट्रीज. पीपल आर ऑलरेडी ट्राइंग टू क्लीन देयर कार्स and people will abhi khatam hone wala hai, like in afternoon the snowfall is going to end and then all the people are going to come out and then they're going to start shoveling. Yahan pe ye lady already she's starting to shovel and there is one car which is going on that side. यहाँ पे देखिए कितना ज़्यादा accumulate हो गया है snow. It's so much of snow accumulated, but it's looking absolutely stunning, very stunning, all white. And I'm walking on the main road. There is not even a single person nor a single car, only one car here and there which is coming. कुछ मेन रोड की हालत है. मेन रोड में देखिए काफ़ी स्नो भरा हुआ है and I'm going to walk on my pavement and I see my neighbor starting to shovel. He started आज काफ़ी स्नो है, बहुत ज़्यादा. Like this is I think the second time इतना ज़्यादा worst snowfall. अभी last week ही हुआ था एक snowfall which was like very bad and now again. So this guy is shoveling and what to do? This is part and parcel of staying in Canada, right? But it's looking amazing, just beautiful. So snow shoveling can be pretty strenuous on your health. So doctors recommend those who have any sort of heart condition or any sort of health issues, they recommend them not to shovel because it can be really tough on your health. Canada है, so यहाँ पे snow तो गिरेगा ही, you have to shovel. But look at the cars, they're going very slowly and look at the pahad. The whole area is white. It's totally white out condition and वहाँ पे people are cleaning their cars because आपको जाना तो पड़ेगा ना कहीं पे भी. So they're cleaning their cars, and there is very few cars on the road which are going. It's so quiet. Not even a single bird is outside. Everybody is inside. And since it's a Sunday morning, look at the amount of snow. Oh my god. So, since it's a Sunday morning, everybody is lazing and they just don't want to get out in this cold. It is looking beautiful, amazingly beautiful. But I'm outside because I always go out for walks, and even if it is snowing like it's very bad, I feel very energetic coming outside. So और मैं आपको दिखाना भी चाह रही थी कि कैसा लगता है. Look at this car. It's almost like inside the snow. So yeah. So हाँ, मुझे आप लोगों को दिखाना था, इसीलिए मैं आई हूँ. ये ट्री तो बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लग रहा है. अभी स्नो का जो ड्रॉपलेट्स है वो भी थोड़ा बड़ा बड़ा हो गया है. सो इट्स गोना स्नो अ लॉट. Winter में especially in the snow, it's very difficult to drive, so they recommend you to have winter tires. So जैसे ही winter आते हैं हम लोग अपने टायर्स चेंज कर देते हैं. So winter tires लगा देते हैं जिसमें ज़्यादा grip होता है. और especially if you have a 4-wheel drive, it's good. Otherwise for a normal car or a normal sedan, it's very difficult to drive. So they all recommend that you have winter tires on while driving on snow, because this snow can be very tricky and very messy to drive on. This road is looking amazing. This is my road which leads to my house, and the trees, amazingly beautiful trees. Wow, this is just amazing. So people have started to shovel, and देखिए अभी shovel कर रहे हैं. अभी जो स्नो की ड्रॉपलेट्स हैं वो और ज़्यादा बड़ी हो गई हैं. सो मैंने अभी एक राउंड ले लिया है अपनी नेबरहुड का, एंड आई एम गोइंग बैक टू माई हाउस. एंड बिलीव मी, इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू वॉक. आई एम फेसिंग अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स इन वॉकिंग, एंड सो इसलिए मैं जल्दी जल्दी घर चली जाती हूँ. एंड so my intention was to show you how it is, how beautiful it is. So I hope you liked my video today, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing to this channel, and to see more content like this, I will bring you more content. And also please give a thumbs up, a like, and also if you want, you can share this video with your friends and family. So hope to see you in the next video, and also don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.